Hi, it's Sheila Blue. I wanted to talk to you today about the value of your product and service and to be sure that you are being fully compensated for that value in the marketplace because I know you're bringing it. I'm about to head out myself today on some appointments and I started thinking about you and I wanted to let you know that you are worthy. A wise man in business and a friend recently told me and a group of other entrepreneurs that same thing, and he was so right. I want you to know today that you are worthy. Your time, your skill, your training, all of it, even if you're new to the marketplace, that doesn't matter. What you're bringing with you is worthy and worthy of being compensated for. Sometimes there's a lot of little things that we forget to add in to our bids and our pricing. And I want to encourage you today to stop, even if you've been in business for a little while, to take inventory and make sure that you are getting the full value of everything that you're doing. What does that look like? Well, maybe if you're a baker or a caterer or something in food or any other product that you might be bringing to the marketplace, don't forget to be adding in for your packaging, for the time it takes you to package, maybe ship, maybe wrap, whatever that looks like. Even the time it takes to wait between things cooking and cooling and the utilities that you have to use. Maybe if you're a cottage baker, are you putting that into your bids? Because it's all going to add up. And if you don't feel like you're making the profitability that you should be, you might want to take inventory of that. And if it's a service, don't underestimate the value of your time. I cannot say that enough. What do you want to make? What is worth you getting up today, getting out there, sharing your gift with the world? Be sure that you're being compensated for that because it's time away from other things that need you. I want to encourage you, take inventory, double check, and be sure that you are receiving the value of what you're worth. And remember, you are worthy. Have a great day.